Enjoy the view of this 2017 Toyota Camry. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Find the sweet spot where luxury meets convenience when you take the wheel of this alluring, standard-setting Camry. It's the sedan designed around you, your comfort, your safety, your driving pleasure. You'll be amazed by its cutting-edge technology, fall in love with its exquisite looks, and be thrilled by its muscular power. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Aggressively seductive, solidly practical. We can't wait to introduce you to this exquisite Camry. Come in today and let our knowledgeable staff put you in the driver's seat.